tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause
Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today it's a day in my life as a stay-at-home mom living in Abuja, Nigeria. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So this is the first thing I take in the morning: apple cider vinegar with green tea and chai seed. This combination is really amazing. Like, if you want to lose belly fat, okay, try this combination and you will see results. Okay guys, so I have fall off wagon on my weight loss journey and I'm going back to it because madam is resuming school. Yeah, so each time madam is like it's on holiday, I don't really do my exercise because the stress of her disturbing me when I'm doing my exercise is times two of when you are alone and you are focused. Like when she's around me, I'm not that so focused in doing my exercise because she wants to join. And when she starts joining, I get tired in doing it. And oh, it's a lot sharp. But anyway, before she starts her school, I want to start by drinking this combination to help me in putting down my weight, especially my tummy part. Like I don't know, each time I eat, my stomach just bloat and get bigger, and I'm not eating much. I only eat two meal in a day. Okay, I eat twice in a day, but let me just say that I actually also eat junk. So I feel maybe it's the junks that is making my stomach add more weight. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. Don't forget to subscribe.
Nothing has been the same, yeah, ever since you arrived. Coming into my orbit, be my satellite. But how do I pull you closer when you're in outer space? Want you to crash into me. Just want your love, your love, your love. 'Cause I'm so in love, in love, in love. Ooh, baby, what's the point in being alone? I wish you were my satellite, satellite. Ooh, baby, said you like me too, but you won't. That body's killer, satellite, satellite. Looking outside my window, seeing you in the sky. Wanna give you a diamond, yeah, I wanna make you mine. Sending a sign from up above. 'Cause I'm so in love, in love, in love. Ooh, baby, what's the point in being alone? I wish you were mine, satellite, satellite. Ooh, baby, said you like me too, but you won't. That body's killer, satellite. I waited all my life for you. I waited all my life for you. Please tell me that you're looking back at me too. Satellite, satellite. Ooh, baby, what's the point in being alone? I wish you were mine. Satellite, satellite. Ooh, baby, said you like me too, but you won't. That body's killer. Satellite, satellite. Ooh, baby, no. Ooh, baby, satellite, satellite.
Been through the footage about 1,000 times. My heart sits tight in my chest. Don't mind the wreckage, it's a work of art, so I gladly take all the pain. Ow. Just about everything makes me think of you.
See. No, not backwards.
Okay, calm down.
She was also back. She's happy now. They say sometimes dog is man's best friend. This is what it is. I'm telling you. Dog is man's best friend. I'm telling you. And they always loyal. They're always loyal. Unlike cats. Dog is just like